Let's explore physics. Hi there, little scientists. Today, we're going on an adventure to discover something amazing called physics. Are you ready? Segment, matter and energy. Let's imagine everything around you, like your toys, the trees, and even the air you feel when you blow in your hand. These are made of tiny building blocks called atoms. Physics helps us understand these building blocks and how they make everything work. It's just something called energy. It's like the power that makes things happen. Like when you run or when a light bulb shines, physics helps us understand how this energy works and makes everything so cool. Environmental forces, let's talk about the forces that make things move and stick together. There's a force called gravity that pulls things down, like when you drop your toys. Physics also helps us understand other forces that make everything stay in place and work together like magic. Up to segment 3, laws of physics. Physics has these special rules called laws. They help us understand how everything moves and works. Like when you throw a ball, it follows rules, and physics helps us figure out why. Isn't that cool? Physics is like a big treasure hunt where we discover amazing things about everything around us. If you liked our adventure today, make sure to tell your friends and come back for more fun discoveries. Until then, keep being curious and exploring the world, saying goodbye for now. Bye-bye. See you on our next adventure.